Hi everyone and welcome to Treasurie. In today's video we'll be learning a lovely crochet technique known as the Paris stitch. This stitch creates an elegant lacy texture that's perfect for lightweight scarves, shawls or even blankets. So let's grab our hooks and get started. For the Paris stitch we're going to start with a multiple of 3 plus 1. So I'm going to do 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got 12 chains and we need 3 plus 1. So we'll do one more, that's 13. Okay, so there's our foundation chain. We're now going to work a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember you don't count the loop on the hook. So it's a double crochet, so yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. You can see we've got the 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's your first double crochet. We're now going to do 2 chains. 1, 2, and we need a single crochet. This single crochet is always going to go into the same position as the double crochet. So we're doing chains this time, so into the same chain as the double crochet. 1 single crochet. And that's your first Paris stitch. You have the double crochet, chain 2 and a single crochet. For the next one we're going to skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into that 3rd one there we're going to do exactly the same. 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 single crochet. So double crochet, yarn over, insert and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So double crochet, now chain 2, 1, 2, and a single crochet into the exact same position. Single crochet. And there is our second Paris stitch. Double crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Now remember we skip through in between each cluster. So 1, 2 skips and the same Paris stitch. Double crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and skip 2, and we'll do one more. This will be in the last chain. Double crochet, chain 1, 2, and single crochet. And then you have your first row. So you can see all the Paris stitches. If you pull up the chain 2s, that's what we'll be crocheting into for our second row. We're now going to do the second row. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This counts as a double crochet, and turn it around and see our chain 2s, they're sticking up a little bit. 1 there, and 1 there. We're going to be doing Paris stitch into each of those chain 2s. So there's our chain 2, and we're going to do a Paris stitch, which is 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2, and 1 single crochet. And there is our first one. Here is the second space. We're going to do the same. Double crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Okay, now we're just going to repeat that all the way along. I'm only doing a little small swatch, so I've just got a couple more to do. Right here, Paris stitch. And at the end, see how you've got the gap there? That was the last one. Double crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. And there, I'll just lay it nice and flat, is your second row. And that's it, it's a 1 row repeat. For the 3rd row, you're going to do exactly the same. You'll chain 3 and turn, and then you'll do Paris stitch into each of these chain 2 spaces. You've got 4 of them in this instant. Okay, thanks for watching Paris stitch. Here's our swatch that's been completed in a worsted weight. You can see it's reversible and a really beautiful textured lacy stitch. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to joining you for my next stitch tutorial.